Imagine for a moment that you could wake up tomorrow morning feeling lighter, more refreshed, and more energized without changing your sleep schedule, taking an expensive supplement, or struggling through a complicated evening routine. What if the secret to better mornings wasn't in a pill bottle or a health food store, but already sitting quietly in your kitchen pantry? For millions of people, especially those over the age of 60, a restful night and an energized morning can feel out of reach. The good news is, science is now pointing toward a surprisingly simple solution, one that your grandparents may have enjoyed, and that you can easily add to your nightly routine. As we age, our bodies face unique challenges overnight. Perhaps you've noticed waking up with uncomfortable bloating, a sense of heaviness in your stomach, or unpredictable blood pressure readings first thing in the morning. Maybe restless sleep has become all too familiar, leaving you feeling groggy and unrefreshed even after a full night's rest. If this sounds like you, you're far from alone. Many people try to solve these problems with sleeping pills, fiber powders, or sometimes by simply hoping things will get better on their own. But what if the answer is simpler, safer, and more delicious than you ever imagined? Recent studies have shed light on a powerful nighttime combination. A serving of oats mixed with chia seeds and a sprinkle of cinnamon before bed. This isn't just an old wives' tale or a passing health trend. Real people are experiencing real benefits, and scientists are starting to understand why. In fact, seniors who adopted this practice reported remarkable improvements in how they felt both at night and the next morning. Let's break down what makes this trio so effective. Oats are more than just a breakfast staple. They're packed with soluble fiber, specifically beta-glucan, which aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar. Many participants in recent studies noted that after eating oats before bed, they experienced less bloating and discomfort overnight. That's because oats support your digestive system gently, allowing it to work efficiently while you sleep. Chia seeds are tiny nutritional powerhouses. Just a teaspoon mixed into your oats can provide a significant dose of magnesium and omega-3 fatty acids, nutrients that are essential for heart and brain health. Magnesium, in particular, is known for its ability to relax muscles and calm the nervous system, creating the perfect conditions for deep, restorative sleep. Omega-3s support the health of your heart and brain, giving your body what it needs to repair and rejuvenate as you rest. Then there's cinnamon, a spice that does far more than add flavor. Studies have shown that cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar and even has anti-inflammatory benefits. For those who struggle with unstable blood pressure or blood sugar spikes overnight, cinnamon offers a natural way to keep these levels balanced. The result is a more stable, peaceful night and a more energetic morning. But what does all this mean in practice? For many, the results have been life-changing. One 72-year-old woman in a recent study shared her experience. For the first time in years, I woke up without that heavy feeling in my stomach. My blood pressure reading was lower than it's been in months. Another participant, a 68-year-old man, found that he no longer woke up at 3 a.m. Instead, he slept soundly through the night and felt sharper, more alert, and more positive when the sun came up. These stories aren't isolated. They reflect a growing body of anecdotal evidence that this simple nighttime ritual can truly make a difference. So, how can you try it for yourself? It's easy. Simply heat half a cup of oats in water or your favorite milk, dairy or plant-based, whichever you prefer. Once the oats are cooked, stir in a teaspoon of chia seeds and sprinkle lightly with cinnamon. If you'd like a touch of sweetness or extra nutrition, add a few slices of banana or a drizzle of honey. Eat this calming bowl about an hour before you go to bed. It's light enough that it won't disturb your sleep, but packed with the nutrients your body needs to restore itself overnight. Why does this combination work so well? The answer lies in how these ingredients interact with your body's natural rhythms. Oats encourage the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that not only calms the mind, but also helps regulate your sleep cycle. Chia seeds provide magnesium, which is critical for muscle relaxation and nervous system balance, and omega-3s, which support cognitive function and heart health. Cinnamon's unique compounds help keep blood sugar and blood pressure stable, reducing the risk of those early morning spikes that can leave you feeling tired or uncomfortable. Perhaps most importantly, this nighttime bowl acts as a gentle, natural reset button for your body. Unlike sleeping pills, which can leave you feeling groggy and have unwanted side effects, this wholesome food combination works in harmony with your body. It supports your digestive system, calms your nervous system, and stabilizes your vital signs, all while you sleep. If you're over 60, making this simple change could be the key to better mornings. Imagine waking up without the usual aches, without that heavy stomach, and with a sense of clarity and energy you haven't felt in years. It's not just about sleep. It's about giving your body the tools it needs to heal and thrive night after night. So, tonight, instead of reaching for a sugary snack or a salty treat before bed, try this nourishing bowl of oats, chia seeds, and cinnamon. Your body will thank you tomorrow. And if you find that it helps, consider sharing this tip with a friend or loved one who could benefit from a better night's sleep and a healthier tomorrow. Sometimes, the best medicine really is found in your kitchen, waiting for you to discover it. Remember, before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions, it's always wise to consult with your healthcare provider. But for many, this simple, delicious tradition could be the missing piece in the puzzle of restful sleep and vibrant mornings. Here's to waking up feeling your best, starting tonight.